Do you want to create a Microsoft account without compromising your privacy by sharing your phone number? We've got the perfect solution for you. You can now use Microsoft, PowerPoint, MS Word, and Excel and say goodbye to concerns about your personal information and join us as we unveil a secure and reliable method to create a Microsoft account without using your phone number. In this video, we are using X Browser and Smart Proxy to make our digital fingerprint unique and even more anonymous. Using X Browser allows you to manage multiple digital accounts easily, and with the combination of clean residential IPs from Smart Proxy, you will be successfully verifying your account hassle-free. Let's go to Microsoft.com and create an account. Let us choose the option to create an account using a phone number. We will go to MobileSMS.io and rent a United States long-term number for 30 days. As soon as you have purchased your long-term number, your number will appear on your MobileSMS.io dashboard. We will use that number to verify Microsoft. Put your long-term number at Microsoft.com and continue signing up. Near the end of the sign-up process, Microsoft will send a verification code to your phone number. Go to MobileSMS.io to get your verification code and finish the sign-up process. That's it, you have successfully created a Microsoft account and can start using all apps that it has to offer. With mobile SMS, you can create multiple accounts on any services without risking your identity. We offer phone numbers for the USA, UK, Germany, India, and more. You only get billed if you successfully get a SMS verification code. You can start with a minimum deposit of $5, and we provide excellent customer support and a 7-day money-back guarantee. Register for a free account, make your first deposit, and safeguard your online identity today.